1 cookie, 2 cookies, 3 cookies. It's so stupid. No cookie. And with cookie. Coming in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Okay, that just made my day.
Initiating. Welcome back to my daily grind. Create yourself is what you'll find me doing every day and every night. No time to lose. One day, one step in the right direction. I'm Chris and I'm only here to show you if I can do it, you can do it too.
Welcome back to the vlog. It is Sunday, another day, another chance to push hard. And the topic for this vlog is highlights and snap, or I don't know, freaking hell. You can check out all the song building vlogs right here, watch them all, so yeah, let's freaking get it. But before we get started, of course, to all my subscribers, thank you for making my life special and worth living to the max. So let me try to give back with a sweet video. So this is where we left off. There was a progress from the last, like, what the hell. And in this vlog I will try my best to record these highlights. It's like this basically. It's this very faint piano sound. Can you even hear this? Something like that. So this note right here, that's an E4. I'm not able to hit this note whatsoever, but these little highlights, these are only, there is an E, but these are like only C's, like something like that, I guess. So yeah, I might be able to do this. And after that, I will go for this snap. Is it a clap or a snap? I don't know, but let's just see what I can come up with. I will see in a bit. Yeah, so check it out. Sounds kind of eerie, but yeah. Yeah, anyways, let's proceed to this snap thingy, I guess. That shouldn't be too hard. Yeah, it's definitely a snap. Okay, let's do this. Okay, so that's my snap right here. With effects. Okay, and that's the original snap right here. It sounds more like cracking a chip or something like that. Biting into freaking snacks. Yeah, so let's actually do just that. Oh yeah, that's the thing. 1 cookie, 2 cookies, 3 cookies. That's pretty much it. It's so stupid. And with the snap. Oh my god. That's a snap without the cookie, and this is the snap with the cookie. It sounds like a clap now. No cookie. And with cookie. Coming in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Okay, that just made my day. I still don't know about the whole thing though. Okay, anyways, enough vocal processing for forever. I'm so done with this song. I want to finish this project seriously. In my next vlog, I will just record guitar parts, whatever. Let's screw that. I want to freaking end it. After that, I will need to do more vocal processing. Well, I need to do the percussion, basically the kick drum, and then record the vocals, which is gonna be, oh jeez. I hope my voice gets better tomorrow. But anyways, that's enough progress for today. Smash that like button the way I smashed the cookie to get this crispy snaps out. Let's freaking go. Bang the bell like to never miss song building vlogs. Check the recent news on ChrisViral.com. And yeah, that's it for today. I will see you tomorrow.